Hello everyone, in this video we are going to discuss statistics. If you didn't watch my previous videos, the link is in the description. Watch it. Until now, if you didn't subscribe to my channel, subscribe for more videos. So coming to the question. Class intervals are given 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60, 60 to 70 and 70 to 80. Frequencies are given as 5, 3, 4, 1, 2, 4, 8, 5. So first let us find mean by direct method. So to find the mean by direct method, we require 4 columns. So let us make columns first. One column is for class interval, one column is for frequency, and the third column is for class marks, and the last column is for FIXI. So let us write the heading so that you will get clarity. First column is for class interval, which will be given in the question itself. Second column is for frequency. Third column is for class marks, which is represented with X or simply XI. And the fourth column is for FIXI. So this is FI or F, whatever it may be. If you are writing here F, here also F only. If you are writing here FI, that is also FI only. Okay, now class intervals are given in the question itself, right? So let me write all as it is again. That is 0 to 80. So class intervals are 0 to 10, then 10 to 20, then 20 to 30, then 30 to 40, then 40 to 50, next 50 to 60, 60 to 70, and finally 70 to 80. And frequencies are also given in the question itself, that is 5, 3, 4, 1, 2, 4, 8, 5. So let me write the frequencies as it is. 5, 3, 4, 1, 2, 4, 8, 5. That's it. Now let us find out the XI, that is class marks. So how to write the class marks? First take the class interval 0 to 10. Add those two, 0 plus 10. That answer you need to do by 2. 0 plus 10, 10. 10 divided by 2, that is 5. That 5 will become our class mark for the first class interval. Then take the second class interval. What is the second class interval? 10 to 20. Again same. Add those two numbers. 10 plus 20. Make it by 2. 10 plus 20. 30. 30 by 2. 15. So the next class mark will be 15. Now the remaining all, to find out more class marks, no need to do this kind of all calculation every time. Just 5 to 15, what is the difference? Plus 10, right? So keep on adding 10, 10, that's it. 5 plus 10, 15, 15 plus 10, 25, 25 plus 10, 35, 35 plus 10, 45, 45 plus 10, 55, 55 plus 10, 65, 65 plus 10, 75. So these are the XI or else class marks. Then coming to the last column, that is FIXI. FIXI is not a big thing, just FI, this second column, and XI, third column. Those two columns numbers we need to do multiplication. That much only. Let us see now once. 5 5s are 25. Write that number here, 25. 3 15s are 45. Write that 45 here. 4 25s are 100. 1 into 35, 35. 2 into 45, 90. 4 into 55, 220. Next, 8 into 65, 520. Next, last one is 75 times 5. 5 is 25 to 375. So these are the FI and XI values. So now we got all the 4 columns, everything. So what exactly we need to do now? We need to find out the sum of FI second column as well as sum of FIXI. So that we will represent with a sigma FI, summation of frequencies. and sigma fi xi, summation of fi xi column. So let us add first fi values. Fi values, if you do addition first, 5 plus 3 8, 8 plus 4 12, 12 plus 1 13, 13 plus 2 15, 15 plus 4 19, 19 plus 8 sorry 27, 27 plus 5 32. So sigma fi value is 32. Let me check again. 5 plus 3 8, 8 plus 4 12, 12 plus 1 13, 13 plus 2 15, 15 plus 9 sorry 15 plus 4 8 sorry 15 plus 4 19, 19 plus 8 27, 27 plus 5 32. Okay, done. So 32 is sigma fi. Next, coming to the sigma fi xi. So in this, what is there? 25 plus 45, it is 70. So 70 plus 100, 170. This is very simple. 170 plus 35, 205. 205 plus 90, 295. 295 plus 220, 515. 515 plus 520, that is 1035. 1035 plus 375, that is 1410. So let me check again, because even if a small mistake is there, then the total answer will go wrong, right? So that's why we should not give that chance. Let me do this fi also again. From down onwards I'm starting. Maybe 5 plus 8 13, 13 plus 4 17, 17 plus 2 19, 20, 24, 27, 32. Okay, done. fi is perfectly correct, 32. Now coming to the fi xi, because sometimes we will think that addition only, right? No problem, nothing will happen, but that small addition only will make us to suffer with 8 marks lose. So be careful with the additions every time, because sometimes even a small mistakes also leads to big problems. So that is the only reason. So this one also I am doing from the down onwards. 375 plus 520, that is 895. 895 plus 220, now 1115 plus 90, 1205. 1205 plus 35, 1240. 1240 plus 100, 1340. 1340 plus 45, 1385. 1385 plus 25, 1410. Okay, that's it, correct then. So now let us write the formula to find out the mean by direct method. So mean by direct method formula is x bar equals to sigma fi xi divided by sigma fi. So x bar is the representation, or else alphabetical representation for the word mean. So sigma fi xi value, what we got? 1410. So sigma fi xi equals to 1410 divided by, and sigma fi is 32. So let us do division of these two. So finally the answer is 44.06. So the mean of the given data is 44.06. Now the same question I am taking, and I am going to solve mean by assumed mean method. Same question as usual I am taking. I am not at all going to change anything. So for this, that is assume mean method, one column will be extra. So total 5 columns will be there. So let us make it 5 columns. First column class interval as usual, second column frequency as it is, and third column class marks, what we did till here for the previous question as it is. Just fourth column is extra, that is di. So we will get to know what exactly the di is. First column class interval, second column frequency f or fi, third column x or xi class marks, fourth column d or di, and the last column will be fi di. So let us write first class interval, what is given in the question, that is 0 to 10. Same question beta, first what we did, that only I am solving. 0 to 10, then coming to 10 to 20, right? My god, if I am missing one class interval, then total answer will go wrong. 20 to 30, then 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60, 60 to 70, finally 70 to 80. And frequencies also, that are 5 3 4 1 2485. So class intervals as well as frequencies, they will be given in the question itself, so that only I wrote as it is. Now coming to the third column is nothing but xi, that is class marks, right? So average of the class intervals, right? 0 plus 10, 10 by 2, 5. 10 plus 20, 30, 30 by 2, 15. Now, if two numbers are there, means definitely we can able to find out the third number. So for this class marks, so no need to worry about it. 5 plus 10, 15, 15 plus 20, 25, 25 plus 10, 35, 35 plus 10, 45, 45 plus 10, 55, 55 plus 10, 65, 65 plus 10, 75. These are the class marks. Of course, this class marks I did for the previous question also. So these three columns are same as it is like the direct method. Assume mean method, first three columns are same as the direct mean method, three columns. Now coming to the fourth column. Now from xi, you take any number as the a value. Assume. Always I will prefer the first number only, because if we take the first number, we won't get any negatives in the answer. I mean in the di value. So now what we need to do is, xi, from xi column we need to pick one number as a. So I took the first number. You can take any number, you will get the same answer. There is no doubt at all. Most of the persons prefer the middlemost number, and some will prefer whatever they want, but always I will go with the first number only. I will say why that is also. Now from every number of xi we need to subtract that a. 5 minus 5, 0. 15 minus 5, 10. 25 minus 5, 20. 35 minus 5, 30. 45 minus 5, 40. 55 minus 5, 50. 65 minus 5, 60. 75 minus 70. That's it. So from every number of xi we need to subtract the a which we took. So what happens if we take the a value from the middle somewhere? Let me check once. Instead of taking the first number, I am taking 35 as the a value. So now from every number we need to subtract 35, right? 5 minus 35 minus 30. 15 minus 35 minus 20. Again, in our answers, if negatives are there, means always the calculation will be little difficult only. So that is the reason I will avoid those negative numbers. So to avoid those negative numbers only, I will take the a value as the first number itself, so that in the di value there won't be no negative numbers at all. If no negatives, calculation is easy. Calculation is easy means we are in the safe zone. Okay, now coming to the FIDI. FIDI is nothing but FI column and DI column numbers we need to multiply neatly. So let us do 5 into 0, 0. 3 10s are 30. Then 4 20s are 80, 80. 1 30s are 30. 2 40s are 80. 4 50s are 200. 8 60s are 8 6 are 48, so 480. Then coming to the last 5 70s are 7 35, 350. Now what exactly we need to do is, total sigma fi is there, right? That we need to add and we need to write. Fi is there, right? That we need to add and we need to write. So let us do that addition part. Five plus 3, 8, 12, 13, 14, 15, 19, 27, 32. So fi value is 32. That is nothing but sigma fi. Then coming to the FIDI, add those all. Oh, sorry. 350 plus 480. 830 plus 200. 1030 plus 110. 1140. 1140 plus 110 again. 1250. That's it, because 0 is not necessary. So 1250. That is sigma fi xi is equals to 1250. So let me do this addition again now properly. Fi is not necessary because fi for the previous problem also I did 2 times. So that is 32 only, confirm. I know that. Now coming to the FIDI, let us do once again. 30 plus 80, 110. 30 plus 80 again 110. So total 220. Next to 220 plus 200, 420. 420 plus 480, that is 900. 900 plus 350, 1250. Yes, correct. So now let us write the formula to find mean by assumed mean method. So to find out the mean by assumed mean method, the formula is x bar is equals to a plus sigma FIDI divided by sigma fi. A value just which we took, that is 5. So in the place of A, substituting 5 plus sigma Fi di 1250 divided by sigma Fi 32. So first I am writing 5 as it is plus dividing 1250 by 32, that is 39.06. 39.06 we are adding with 5. So what we'll get then? 44.06. So 44.06 is the mean. In the direct method also we got the same answer, 44.06 only. Even in assumed mean method also we got the same answer, 44.06 only. Okay, now we are going to find mode. So for mode, there is not at all necessary of any extra columns, only 2 columns. One is class interval and the second one is for frequencies. So these both will be given in the question itself. So no need to worry anything. First column is for class interval and the second column is for frequencies. So the class intervals are given as 0 to 10, 10 to 20 and 20 to 30, then 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60, 60 to 70 and finally 70 to 80. The frequencies 5, 3, 4, 1, 2, 4, 8, 5. Class intervals and frequencies both will be given in the question itself. So now we are going to find mode. To find the mode, there are no methods, only one method we are following. So according to that method, the formula to find out the mode is L plus F1 minus F0 divided by 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. So what are these L, F1, F0, F2 and H? We will get to know very soon. Now in the frequencies, what is the highest number? You take that highest number. So in the frequencies, the highest number is 8. So just circle that total row. Now that 8 will become F1. Previous to that 8, it will become F0. After that F1, it will become F2. So I'll repeat again. In the frequency column, the maximum number will become F1. Preceding to that one F0 and succeeding to that F2. And in the F1 row, the class interval 60 to 70, right? That lower boundary will become our L value. Now let us substitute in the formula. So L value is 60 plus F1 is 8 minus F0 4 divided by 2 into F1 is 8 minus F0 is 4 minus F2 5 into H. What is H then? Height of the class interval. So any class interval you take and just subtract. 0 to 10 I am taking subtraction. 10 minus 0, 10. So H value will be 10. Now let us simplify this further. 60 as it is plus 8 minus 4 divided by 2 at the 16 minus 4 minus 5 into 10 as it is. 60 plus 4 by 16 minus 4 12 minus 5 into 10 as it is. 60 plus 4 by 12 minus 5 7 into 10. Now these two numbers I'll multiply. So we get 60 plus 4 tens are 40 divided by 7. So 60 plus 40 divided by 7, 5.7. Let us add these two. 60 plus 5.7, 65.7. So the mode of the given data is 65.7. Out of all the three, mean, median and mode, the mode is very easy thing actually. Now let us move to the last, that is median. So for median, we want 3 columns. So let us make all the 3 columns now. The first column as it is class interval only every time. Second column every time frequency only. First column class interval and second column frequency. Then third column is cumulative frequency. Third column is cumulative frequency. So let me write all the class intervals starting from 0 onwards, 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60, 60 to 70, 70 to 80. Now frequencies that will be given in the question itself, those are 5 3 4 1 3 4 1 2 4 8 5 2 4 8 5. Class interval and frequencies will be given in the question itself, so no need to worry about that one. Now coming to the cumulative frequency, that is CF, cumulative frequency, or else lower than cumulative frequency, that is LCF. Both are same. Write the first number as it is, 5. Keep on adding to the down now. 5 plus 3 8, 8 plus 4 12, 12 plus 1 13, 13 plus 2 15, 15 plus 4 19, 19 plus 8 27, 27 plus 5 32. So these are the cumulative frequencies. Okay, now first let us write the median formula, so that we will get to know what is missing and still what is there. Median formula is L plus N by 2 minus CF by F into H. So before going to find out what is this L, CF and F, first let us focus on the N value. N value is nothing but in the CF last number, that is 32. So N value is 32, but we don't want N, right? We want N by 2. So let us find out N by 2. N by 2 is equals to 32 by 2. 32 by 2 is nothing but 16. So N by 2 value is 16. This 16 number is important for us. Now in the cumulative frequencies, just keep in mind which numbers are more than 16. These three numbers are more than 16, right? That is 19, 27, 32. 19, 27, 32 are bigger numbers than 16. 16 is N by 2. So we need to pick numbers which are bigger than N by 2 value. Now in these three numbers, what is the smallest number? That is 19. So that 19 row we want now. Total 19 row you circle. Now this will become F, above will become CF, and this will become L. So just if we substitute in the formula, our answer will complete. Sorry. It got struck, maybe heat. So just a second, please. Okay, got it. Okay, now let us substitute in the formula. First one is L, right? So L value is 50. 50 plus N by 2. N by 2 is 16 minus CF. CF is 15 divided by F. F is 4 times H. H is same for mode, median, whatever it may be. That is any class interval you take and subtract 0 to 10. So 10 minus 0 is 10. So write that 10 here. Let us simplify this further now. 50 plus 16 minus 15, 1 by 4 into 10. 2 5s are 2 2s are. So we remains with 50 plus 5 by 2. That is equals to 50 plus 5 by 2. If you do division, 2.5. 50 plus 2.5, 52.5. So finally, the median of the given data is 52.5.